So here's my new obsession. Say hi to the amazing Hisense Refrigerator. I'm so excited to organize my grocery inside. This is a 507-liter refrigerator. These big drawers help me store all my fruits and veggies. Look at this amazing storage. It's really wonderful. Just makes your life easier. These large door pockets help me store and accommodate taller items. 6 separate freezer drawers help me accommodate a lot of frozen food effortlessly. You can store meat or vegetables or purees or curries, and you can make so much and keep it for a rainy day. When you don't have time, you can just take it and mix it in your food and you're done. So this part I really enjoyed a lot. All in all, हर तरीके के सामान के लिए खूब सारा space. Here you can adjust the mode from super freeze, holiday or super cool. You can adjust the temperature and the zone as well. So you can choose fridge or my choice, so you can adjust which shelf you want to be a freezer or a fridge. Independent cooling systems for refrigerator and freezer prevents any mixing of odors and maintains a perfect climate in each part of the fridge. It's just not about a style statement. The wide storage just makes your life easier. And it has an inbuilt water dispenser for cooling water anytime. And the best part is its design, and it solves a lot of your purposes. So once you have Hisense Refrigerator in your home, trust me, your life is going to be simpler. And this is really an amazing Hisense Refrigerator. And now it's tummy time. Let me show you the amazing freshness. Look at that. This is because of the multi-air flow, which keeps my refrigerator fresh always. I'm really amazed by this Hisense refrigerator. Be amazed. तो अब आप भी add कर सकते हैं freshness to your life. Go say hi to Hisense Refrigerator. The entire range is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Reliance Digital